To see your videos on the Oculus app, start by opening the Oculus app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the Library section, where you will find all your downloaded and purchased content, including videos. In the Library section, click on the Video tab to view all the videos you have stored on your Oculus device. You can browse through the list of videos and select the one you want to watch by clicking on it. If you want to watch a video that is stored on your computer or other device, you will need to transfer it to your Oculus device. First, you can do this by connecting your Oculus device to your computer using a USB cable, and then transferring the video file to the Oculus device. Alternatively, you can also use the Oculus file transfer feature to transfer videos from your computer to your Oculus device wirelessly. To do this, open the Oculus app on your computer and select the file transfer option. Then, select the video file you want to transfer and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Once the video is transferred to your Oculus device, you can find it in the Library section of the Oculus app and watch it by selecting it and clicking the play button. It is also important to note that the Oculus app supports a variety of video formats, including MP4, MKV, and AVI. However, it is recommended to use the MP4 format, as it is the most compatible with the Oculus device. In addition, you can also adjust the video settings to optimize your viewing experience. To do this, go to the Settings section of the Oculus app and select the Video Settings option. From here, you can adjust the video quality and select the audio output, among other options. By following these steps, you should be able to easily view your videos on the Oculus app and enjoy an immersive viewing experience. Remember to always check the video format and settings to ensure the best possible viewing experience.